Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and after you see it, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and find the settings icon. It's on the bottom of the menu, basically. Once you find it, tap on it, and in the settings, scroll through the menu again, and look for the option called the language. And once you find it, tap on it. And here you have the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it and select it, you can tap on the checkmark to confirm, and the language will be applied. And then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.